Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you clear other system data properly on iPhone. So guys, at first just go to settings. Now just go to general, click on iPhone storage, and after that scroll and go to Safari. Now after going to Safari, here you can see website data, click on it. Now all of your website data are here. Just click the bottom, this remove all website data, and click on remove now. From again here iPhone storage, just go for Chrome. Now after going for Chrome, here you can see offload data, click on it and click on offload data again. Now again from here, if you use Instagram, Facebook and Twitter like apps, you can just go there and click on the offload app. Here you can see it is about 2.67 GB in my case. You can just offload the app and the app will be cleared. Now from settings, scroll down and go to your messages. Again scroll. Here you can see keep messages. You can click it and you can just click 30 days. And by clicking delete, you can undo this action, which means after 30 days the messages will be deleted permanently. I won't recommend you to doing that. But if you don't need the messages, you can do it. You can do the same thing for mail as well. Just go to the mail app and just delete all the mails that you don't need. So guys, that's how you can properly clear other system data on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.